Hi everybody. A few years ago I did a video on how to do a passport. This is an update of the video because this time we're going to be using a mobile phone. Last time we used a camera, but it's just as easy to use a mobile phone. And here we have our subject. Hello subject.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Now, a few years ago you was only a little boy and we took a picture of you over there.
Hands down, like this.
Dylan, please.
Jaden. No, where did you get that from? Jaden. No. Jaden. I think that's small enough. Yeah, see, those are perfect. That's a really good one.
Hey.
Your passport has run out. And now, mister, we have to make another one. Okay? So first of all, you start off with your subject, and what you want is a nice, clear, white or cream wall. But as you can see, there is a shadow on the back of the wall, which is something that you don't want. So what you can try and do is you can put more light on that side of the subject, but there's still a little bit of shadow on this side of the wall. So best thing to do is move your subject away from the wall about 1/2 meter, and then you don't see a shadow any longer. Good. How are you feeling, sir? Are you okay?
Yes.
Excellent. Taking your mobile phone, I'm using a Samsung here, but you can use any mobile phone you want. And what we're going to do is we are going to just put the phone at eye level to our subject, facing him, eye level, and then take a couple of pictures. Now you notice that he looked away there, so we won't be able to use that one. Looking at me directly, and then just take a few pictures, go in a little bit, come out. So you should be like 1 meter away from him, or 1.5 meters. Excellent. Thank you very much, sir. So while you're in the photo app, you can make slight enhancements. For example, this one here, I can actually level it out a little bit. There we go. Save that. And then I can actually make it slightly brighter using the filters on here. Just check which filter. That's too dark. His eyes are too dark. That's too red. That's nice and cool, but I still prefer, see that one there? That's nice and light and bright. And you can tone that down a little bit if you want. Save that. And there we go. Now we need to do one more thing. If you go back in our editing app, we need to make sure that it's the correct aspect ratio. So if you click on the aspect ratio button,
the aspect ratio of an image is the ratio of its width to its height, and is expressed with two numbers separated by a colon, such as 16:9, 16:9.
Okay, so as you go in there, this is 1:1, which is a square format. And what we want is a 3:4 format, which is the aspect ratio of a passport. Then you want to get your subject right in the middle of the screen. You can crop it if you need to. Just grab the corners and you can go in and out and crop it, but make sure that you've got his shoulders, his head right in the middle of the screen. I'll crop it a little bit more. Just like that. His eyes are right in the middle. He's got his ears, his hair. Maybe let's bring it down a little bit. And then we can save that. And after that, what you want to do is you want to now email that to yourself and continue the application on a computer, because it's a lot easier if you do that on a computer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to email it to myself. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to go about applying for a passport online. Obviously go to Google and search for the passport office for the country that you're in. I'm in the UK, so it's going to take me to gov.uk website. I'm going to click renew online. Do you live in the UK? I do. You may live somewhere else. Continue. So here it gives you some basic information about how to apply for a passport. Now here is the cost of the passport. In the UK, it's a phenomenal £75.50. Hopefully it's cheaper for you wherever you are. For a child, it's £49, and I'm applying for a child. Now, if you use this digital photo option, where you use an app or you go to a photo booth at a train station or a bus station or something, it will give you an ID, a code that you will enter in here when you apply, and it will pick up your photograph that you took. Obviously, it will track your application. So let's continue with that. Put in the date of the person that you're applying for, not your birth date. Continue. Now here is a little bit more information about using that digital passport option. It says go to a photo shop or a booth and choose to get a code with your photo. As you can see here, it will take your picture and then it will give you this code. You're then going to use this code to get your photo. We haven't done it this way. We've used our mobile phone to take our photo. You can obviously use your mobile phone as well with an app to do the same thing, but you don't need to do that. And the reason you don't want to do that is because the app charges you an extra £6 or £7 for the privilege. So if you've got a code, you'll pick this option, continue, and then you'll enter your code in here, and then it will go off and pick your picture and bring it back to you. Okay, this is done on all online. You won't have your pictures given to you in a hard copy. It will be done all online. But we haven't done it like this, so we're going to go back. We are going to upload a photo. Remember, you emailed your photo that you took earlier on to yourself. You're going to find that email, you're going to download it onto your computer, and this is what it's asking for you to upload your photograph. Now, as I say, again, this is for applying for a UK passport. Obviously, if you're in the States or you're in South Africa or Australia or South America, you'll have your own websites, and they'll be very much similar to this, but may be slightly different. Anyway, continue. Now, when you come to this page, it will tell you exactly what you need for your passport. You need to have a plain black background, which is white, I would suggest, or cream. You're not holding a toy if it's a child, no objects in the background. The picture has to be in color, by the way. You want even lighting, no shadows on the face, no shadows in the background. Make sure you don't have a dark background. No toys again. This is fine. More information down here. Make sure you have a plain expression. No smiling, no laughing, no looking away. No fashion headwear. Okay. No glasses. No hair in front of the face. Just a plain picture. Okay, you click continue, and this is where you upload your photograph. So it will upload the picture and it will tell you whether the picture is any good or not, and this will give you a good indication of whether the passport office will accept your picture. And there you go, it's saying that our picture is good. So I'm very likely going to have this picture accepted as a passport photograph. It's not a guarantee. It says here, photos with a good rating are most likely, not a guarantee, to be suitable for a passport photo. So they could still reject it. Okay, so I'm going to continue to apply for my son. They will send me updates on my mobile phone and via the email, so I'll know whether it's been accepted or not, but I'm pretty sure it will be accepted.